Hello everybody, welcome to PGW and our new buy site. I'm very excited to introduce a few new things on our new buy site. We've really taken it to another level. It looks like it's a 2025 site now. So we hope that you're enjoying it. We have had a couple questions and I'm just going to address those and show you a couple cool parts to this particular site. So if you notice, I pulled up a domestic windshield 1580 GBN. One thing that you can do that a lot of people tend to do is continue to hit this search button. Well, now it comes up in a drop down. So if you just put 1580 in, it comes down, you can select it, and you can see it shows up. And here it'll tell you if it's in stock, and you can order it directly from here. One of the questions that we've been asked fairly routinely is, how do I find out if it's in an available another location? You simply go up here and you click. You can see right down here, you click other locations. And it will now show up and be available to tell you that, hey, it's on a PGW truck from the other test location. This is a test website, but it will show you the other locations that you have available. One other cool thing that we've really done nicely here is the utility vehicle. We've gotten a lot of questions about that. So if you are in the business of doing Olson Morgan, any other sort of parts like that, you will find them in here and you can find and fill the inventory from here. Last but not least, if you're having questions about where to find things or how to look things up, simply go to the help. And in here we've got some very cool tricks and hints to help you get through using the new buy site. We hope you enjoy it. Feel free to give us any feedback. There is a chat button down here that is not a live chat. If you have questions, you're not sure about something, simply click it in here and say, hey, this is some feedback for you all. All right, thanks again for your time, everyone. Hope you enjoy it, and feel free to reach out with any questions.